All right, here's the Satori board. At the top of the canvas, you have your toolbox. Now, let's start by dragging and dropping a chat boost block onto the canvas. You can think of this canvas as an AI-powered mind map, and anytime that you need help or have a question or want to get guidance on what to do next, or you don't know how to do something on the board, just simply click the lower right-hand corner, talk to Huzi, and then Huzi will give you the answer because it knows what's going on the board. It can read everything on the board and give you support. So now I've added this chat window. Now, this is a very powerful AI model here. So let's say I need help with my SaaS business. All right, so let's just show you here. Now, we have a very powerful AI model that's going to work here. But you know about prompt engineering, you know that it's really important to give the AI models context to work on. So let's make this even a little bit better experience. Let's create a business coach here. Click on persona, and I need a SaaS business coach. With the click of a button now, I have now created a prompt that essentially turns this AI model into a SaaS business coach now. Now, you can use this for tutors or content creation or analyzing or strategy. You can create the persona right here, connect it to your AI model, and now you've tuned this model to be exactly what you want with a click of a button, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so now I've got my business coach here. Let's add some more information. Let's go onto YouTube. Now you can see on YouTube, there's the world's best, information on business and how to do anything, right, on YouTube. I'm going to copy and paste that URL for that video into my YouTube boost block. Boom, right here. And now I'm going to connect it to my chat. And now my business coach has all of the information, the transcripts, the timestamps, every information about this video. If I want to learn about this video, I can watch it right here. But let's say here, I'm going to ask this AI to summarize this video and contextualize it for me. All right. So you can see I asked for it in the context of me talking to my business coach, and now it's going to summarize this as if it is my business coach. What you're seeing here is you have a very visual way to add context to your AI chats to do a lot of really deep work, creative work. Now, a couple of other just kind of like nice lifestyle sort of things you can see here at the top right hand of the chat window. You have the ability to refresh your screen, or if you want to just go into hyper focus mode, you can make it full screen and tune everything out here. You do have your zoom and pan and control here at the bottom. Let me go ahead and move these guys over. All right. Now you can have multiple chats at the same time on the canvas because maybe you want to compare and contrast, or maybe you've got one AI that's doing a research for you while you're working on your project over here on the side. So you can do this till your heart's content. A lot of people have multiple conversations going on at one time, but I'll delete it for now. Okay, let's look at the other options here. Let's go ahead and look at a book. Now, because AI is smart, but people have all of the wisdom and expertise, we wanted to connect this to all of the books. The other tools on the screen, you can have a text module, which will allow you to drag and drop maybe a copy that you have from a PDF or a website that you want to have it be as a part of this chat window. Or you can just say something like, speak only Spanish, right? Not Spanish, Spanish. Now I can say hello. And now you can see it is speaking only in Spanish. But let's go ahead. If you want to not do that, you can delete it right here. Anytime you want to disconnect something, you just click on it and delete the connection. So you can do inquiries with or without any of these inputs. So you have a very flexible, very fundamentally you version of AI. Going down the list, more of these toolbars here. You have a website. So if you want to add a, let's see, Huzi.ai. Let's say that I was working on this with my business coach, with this video, working on my SaaS business. I'm going to go ahead and delete this book. And it takes a minute, by the way, to scrape websites. A little word of caution here. If you see a loading website version while you're uploading a website here in Satori, it might take a minute because it's scraping all the information on the website and making available to you after you connect it here. So we'll let that churn away while it's cranking out the website. It actually didn't take as long as I thought. So now you can see here, I have the websites embedded in here. It has all the website information. right here. So now this is specifically for me. Tell me how to grow Huzi. There we go. All right. And I'm going to let that go to work. And it's going to go reading everything on the website, think like an entrepreneur, act like my business coach. This is such a powerful interface that you're going to get instantly powerful results differently than you were before. At the same time, we also know that you do things for people oftentimes. So if you want to do this for Sally, you can simply drag and drop here. And now any of the notes that you have on Sally will be in context for your AI assistant. So you can make something just for Sally if you want. That's a quick tutorial here. I just want to share with you that you can play with this till your heart's content. Use your right brain to do right brain sort of things and watch your creativity just explode inside of Huzi. Let us know if you have any questions. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Cheers.